Your most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thakara.
Well, another week is upon us, everybody. Great to be with you after a Saturday. Another round of severe weather. Seems like we've been pounded with round after round here this July, and that looks to continue as we move into the day tomorrow. So here is Enola. It is a quiet morning, and it is a beautiful morning, in fact, because of the temperatures. I mean, this is just gorgeous. We're going to see a gorgeous day. So we're kick-starting the week off on the right note. We've got clear skies. We've got high pressure right smack over top of us. And the great news is it's comfortable out. I mean, look at some of these temperatures. York down to 56 degrees. We've got 60 in Chambersburg and Lebanon, 63 in Harrisburg and Lancaster. Allentown, 56 degrees. Oh, yeah. This is nice for a July morning. We've got about a 5 to 15 degree drop from yesterday, depending on where you're at. So this is pretty incredible. And when you step outside, you're going to notice it. Dew points down into the 50s. Mwah! This is gorgeous. I mean, we don't get many days like this in July because now we're into the thick of it, right? The dog days of summer. So we will take it. Yesterday was pretty nice, too. We only hit 82, and that is well below the average of 87. So bring it on. Love it. It is absolutely gorgeous. The record high today, set back in 1991, 101. No rain. We're at about a 5.5-inch deficit. So we do need some rain. And some areas got some on Saturday. Other areas whiffed again. So clear skies in Manheim. This is Manheim Central this morning, and temperatures today will be mighty comfortable again, right around 84, 85 degrees, mid-80s. But with the low dew points, it's going to feel very nice. So another nice night for a campfire. Mostly sunny, clear, pleasant. And I know it's a Monday night, right? But if you have time and you got a fire pit in the backyard, tonight would be a great night for s'mores. Comfortable, a little bit cool once the sun goes down. It's going to be nice. Now, clouds will quickly increase tonight because as nice as today is going to be, this high is going to yield to another round of severe weather tomorrow. We've got another frontal system moving through. So tomorrow is going to be another stormy day. That could start out with some showers in the morning and drizzle, and then periods of severe weather in the afternoon. So what do we expect? Well, Storm Prediction Center issuing another enhanced risk. And again, I really don't like to show these too often, but I want to point out some of the threats tomorrow are basically the same as what we had here on Saturday. Now, I think the storms are going to be progressive. They're going to be marching through the area here. Damaging winds, that's the primary threat, heavy downpours, and yeah, even a brief spin-up tornado. And there were several tornado warnings across the state on Saturday. None here, none locally, but another round of severe weather tomorrow. And we'll show you that here coming up. So lots of sunshine today. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Tonight, we increase the clouds, areas of drizzle, even a shower or two tonight. Tomorrow morning looks kind of damp. And then as the afternoon rolls through, here comes some of these thunderstorms. Again, downpours, isolated damaging wind gusts are going to be the primary threat tomorrow. And then once that rolls through, Wednesday will be an improvement. And I think the rest of the week looks just fine for outdoor activities. Wednesday looks nice. It's still going to be a little bit humid. The humidity does come back tomorrow and Wednesday, but highs this afternoon in the mid-80s. It looks pleasant enough. Tonight will not be as cool, and the humidity comes back up. So uncomfortable weather tonight. Tomorrow we're back into the 80s. And then we're going to drop as we move into Wednesday, of course. But it'll be a little bit breezy at times today with winds from the south, especially as we move into tonight. And then tomorrow, especially as the front moves through, there could be some damaging wind gusts with that line. Behind the front, northwest winds, it's going to be a bit breezy here on Wednesday as well. So that's going to try to bring us some drier, less humid air by Thursday and Friday. The extended outlook shows the European continues to insist that this front is going to stall on Wednesday. I don't see that happening. I think Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday all look nice. I think the weekend looks pretty nice. The next chance of perhaps another round of severe weather would be next Monday. So we've got this Tuesday, tomorrow, and then next Monday. And in between, the weather looks nice and quiet. Look at this. The average high is 87, and we continue to see most of the next 10 days trending below average, below normal. And the humidity will not be bad either. It's going to be a tad humid tomorrow with those storms and Wednesday. But then when we look ahead, low humidity here for much of the rest of the week, including the weekend, and that we can get behind. So 84 today, mostly sunny and pleasant, just a gorgeous July day. Increasing clouds and humidity tonight with some drizzle, down to 72. Another round of severe weather, it looks like, is possible across the region here tomorrow as the humidity ticks up and a front moves through. And then look at that. I mean, Wednesday's going to be a nice day, still a bit humid. gorgeous weather Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So we have more nice days than not, but we're used to these rounds of severe weather now. So plan accordingly for tomorrow, especially if you have outdoor plans. You may want to think about changing that.
Yes, definitely.
We'll
But
keep
I'm
you
glad we
posted.
have a weekend where it's primarily dry.
Yeah, and you know, Saturday night we had a few windy conditions.
Oh, yeah.
Windy storms blow through, but yesterday proved to be okay. And hopefully next weekend we can get both days in.
Yes, for sure. Well, thank you, Brett. Stay with us. We'll be right back.